Hello, so this is another video tutorial on wall joins, very simple and fast. So we have different wall conditions and I'm pressing TL as in thin lines to see what's going on more precisely. As taught previously, we may need different conditions of how the walls meet the other walls. So depending on fire rating, depending on layers of sheetrock in one side versus the how many there are in each side of that one, if it's a shaft wall or if it isn't. So that meeting point, it's different in different scenarios. Also the meeting point in the corner point, it's sometimes often different for different scenarios. So I'm just gonna talk about the wall joint tool in Revit. So if you press that one and you zoom out, you see how it signals like a little square in every joint part between walls, either corners or T shapes. So you first select the corner you want, and then here in this toolbar, it will give you different configurations. So you can just zoom in and say next, and it's giving you the different configurations as in how the sheetrock meets the sheetrock, or how the different elements within that partition meet. So you have also display like clear join, and it changes clear join as well, and use view settings. So it doesn't change that much often, but these configurations are good to know. And even though it seems you're pressing next like 100 times and you think you're getting like 100 different results, it's just a couple or three the most that you're dealing with. So there's not many options that you can deal with. A good one is meter. Not normally is not that used in Arquitecto, but why not? There's some details and some facade corner elements that need that meter setting. So yeah, that's good. So that's great. So once we have that, you also have the option of pressing join, selecting that element, and when you have a T connection between partition walls, you only are able to change the display. But this is a good chance to see how you can make the sheetrock, go through it and make the partition wall meeting that previously mentioned one stop a little bit earlier from that sheetrock element. So you can go back and forth from clean join to don't clean join, depending normally of issues of fire rate. If this is a fire rate partition wall, you might want to consider the option of continuing that wall in its entire dimension, so you make sure that the fire rating code is being well put together. And again, you can go back and forth from one to another. Okay, so once you have that, stays as is, and you can go through each of them and do the same detail. Clear join, don't clear join, yep. And start fixing those connections. If that was the case, you can do that. Or again, don't clear or clear. It doesn't make much of a sense because this wall doesn't seem to be totally finished. Probably needs some other layers towards the other side of the partition wall. No? Okay, so that's a very simple one. I think it's extremely helpful when you want to get into detailing how the partition walls or different walls meet each other. Okay, good. Hope you liked it.